Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I want to share with you how I made a pedestal bowl out of air dry clay. So let's get started. For this project, I'm going to use pre-made paper mache from Activa. I've tried this a couple of times and I really like it, but if you have your own recipe, go ahead and make your own paper mache. So what I'm going to do is pour out some paper mache into a bowl, and then to activate it, all you have to do is add some water and then just mix them together. For this project, I'm going to use a glass bowl to help me shape my bowl. Off camera, I wrapped the bowl in some plastic wrap so that the paper mache doesn't stick onto the glass. Now I'm going to cover the bowl in the paper mache. And the best thing about making a paper mache bowl is that you don't have to worry about this being like perfect. It's supposed to look a little wonky. You can go all the way up to the top of the sides of the bowl with your paper mache if you want to, but I decided to stop about halfway up. The bowl's looking good, so I'm going to set this aside for a sec. To make the pedestal part of our bowl, I'm going to use this plastic container that I had just because I liked the shape of it, and I'm going to cover this in the paper mache. Now I'm going to place the pedestal part on top of the bowl part, and then I'm going to take little pieces of paper mache and blend the two pieces onto each other. You can't really see what it looks like right now, but I'll show you guys in a little bit. I had some extra paper mache left over, so I'm going to add little balls around the rim of my bowl. This is what my bowl's looking like, and you can see here where the two pieces meet, they're like blended into each other. So now I'm going to set this aside and let this dry for a few days.
3 days later.
Here's my pedestal bowl dry, and it took like 4 days for this to fully dry, so now I'm just going to paint it. And then I speckled this with some black paint. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!